How to unfollow on TikTok. So if you follow some people on TikTok, now you're a celebrity, so to say, and I want to unfollow them, then you have to do this one after the other. There is no particular features on TikTok that allows you to follow a mass or a group of people at once. Then you need to make sure you unfollow the people one after the other on TikTok. So if I don't have this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to unfollow someone on TikTok, that means you are following the person already. So go to your TikTok app and open it. Once opened your TikTok app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, you want to select your following list. So that is where the person you are following are. So click on the following list. While on the following list page, you can just search for the name of the person you want to unfollow. So just search for the name of the person you want to unfollow. If the person is on TikTok and you are following the person like this, then go ahead and tap the following button. Then this is going to unfollow the person. Hit the back button. Repeat the same thing again. Search for the name, and if there is no need for you to search for the name, just scroll through the name. Before you unfollow anyone on TikTok, it's advisable to check through what the person is uploading, whether it's the type of content you want or not. So if it's the type of content you want, there's no need to unfollow the person. But if the content is different from your content, then you want to go ahead and hit the following button to unfollow it. You see that? So that is basically how to unfollow on TikTok. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.